Hey Peaches, I look like crap today, but today is going to be a really exciting day, so you're probably like, why is there balloons behind this girl? Today is Elena's 27th birthday, and she doesn't know that we're throwing her like a little party. So it's gonna be really exciting. I just picked up the balloons, and then I'm going to be picking up her cake at Publix, and then we're gonna be decorating the clubhouse, and I think it's gonna be like really fun. But before that, we're going to a pole dancing class. So I'm really excited, and I just thought I'd take you guys along with me. Okay, so I just picked up the cake, and now we're off to getting ready. My life is literally a mess. So I just got home from picking up all the decorations, and I just took a shower, and now I have to get ready, but my room's a mess, so I have to clean my room. And then like the pole dancing class starts at like 5, and it is currently 3, and we still have to go to the clubhouse and set everything up. So yeah, my life's a mess, but we're gonna get through it together. Okay, so I just washed my face, and now I'm going to be putting on my makeup for the night, and then afterwards I'm going to do my hair, and then I'm going to show you guys my outfit of the night. This is a very chaotic day, and I'm just totally exposing myself on the internet, so this is going to be fun, I guess, kind of. Also, I'd just like to say that I am not a makeup guru whatsoever, and I do not claim to be a makeup guru. And if you're wondering what I'm doing, is I have the NARS Light to Vanilla Soft Matte Concealer, and I'm just putting that on like my blemishes, and then I'm going to be putting on my foundation at the same time. This is the Super Serum Skin Tint with SPF 40 in it. Also, I would just like to say, you have to trust the process. You're gonna be like, whoa, girlfriend, like you should not be doing all that. You just gotta trust the process. Also, I just want to apologize for this angle. I know this is like absolutely terrible, but we're out here trying our best, and like I said, this is a very chaotic day. So there's that dilemma as well. Okay. This is hilarious. This is so funny. Okay. Okay. We're out here trying. Like, this is my little makeup routine in the day, which might be considered a lot for some people, or it might be like really little for others. So I guess it just depends on you. I'm going in with this NARS concealer. It's the Radiant Creaming Concealer, and I have it in Light 1. So I'm just going to be putting this under my eyes, on my eyelids, because I'm not doing an eyeshadow look, but I hate like the way veins look. And then on this blemish, since it didn't necessarily get covered up that great when I did my foundation, I'm just blending that out. You guys are probably gonna watch this and be like, girlfriend, what are you doing? But I'm telling you guys, like, it works for me. And now, by the way, I am taking the Mercier, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, translucent powder, and I'm just going to set my face. So first I get a brush like this, which is like pretty tiny, and I just put it in there, and then I use the lid, whatever, to shake some of the powder off, because you definitely don't need all that powder on your face. And then I just go on top of my eyes first with this, just so the concealer doesn't like crease within the night, because that also triggers me when I see like girls makeup and like their eyeshadow look is like all creased because they didn't set it. I'm like, oh god. And then I'm doing the same thing for underneath my eyes. And then some people would say that my makeup looks cakey. Honestly, I just think I have a lot of haters in my life, if I'm being completely honest. But like they say, if you don't have any haters, then you're doing something wrong. Because haters can motivate you, and also it shows that you're doing something right, because people want to be like you. Usually when they're hating, they are jealous of you somehow, some way. So I don't necessarily take it as a bad thing. I definitely used to. Like when I was younger, oh my god, I felt like I had like all these haters, and I was like, I would come home and like be very upset about it. And now I'm just like, it is what it is, whatever. Like, I do not really care. Also, yes, these are my brushes. My brushes are old and it fell off, but I still use it. It's still fine. It's still good. You're gonna be like, what the heck, girl? But you know, a girl's on a budget and she's not about to go pay a ton of money for some makeup brushes when these ones still work. Face is set. Yay. Okay, so now I'm doing my eyebrows with the Anastasia pencil where it has like this woolly and then like the little tip. I'm so sorry, that's not focusing. And then I have the Anastasia pomade dip brow, and this is in the color Ebony. I've literally had this for years, like years. And I'm just outlining my eyebrow natural shape. And like I said, I am not a makeup guru, so this is not gonna be perfect, but it works for me. So this is one eyebrow outlined, and then I'm going to outline this one, and then once they're both outlined, I'm going to fill them in. You might be asking like why I'm doing it this way. It's just to make sure like I get the shapes as even as possible, because eyebrows are not twins. They are definitely sisters, but we're trying to get them as close as possible. And also too, like I don't know why, but my eyebrows just have like completely different shapes. Like completely different, like especially like towards the front. Like I would say my left eyebrow looks more of like the natural eyebrows like that everyone like strives for, where they can like push the hair up. And then this one, we're stuck in the 2016 eyebrow look, like seriously. We're gonna bring some life back into my face. So I'm gonna do some bronzer real quick. Bronzer and blush. And sometimes I do cream bronzer and blush, but for tonight, like I'm just not going all out with my makeup. So I'm using the Hoola Benefit bronzer, which by the way, like I know you guys are probably like, oh my god, it's like so 2016, but you know what, it's just such a good formula. And I watched Lauren Gerardo's like birthday get ready with me vlog where she was in like Colombia, or I think she was in Colombia, I don't know, and she also used it and she's like, this still pops off, and she's right, it does. So I'm just doing a line on both sides, and don't worry, we're gonna blend it. Well, that was a little dark. Sometimes I put it underneath my jaw, and then sometimes I put it like on my forehead. But like I said, we're not going all out tonight. Then we get a brush and blend it. And I like to make a ducky face. Okay, I would say that's pretty blended. All right. This is the NARS blush and bronzer combo, but we're just gonna be using the blush, and the blush is like Orgasm or something like that. All right, now that we have some life back into my face, looks good. The look is coming together. I'm going to do my mascara, and I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and then the mascara I'm using is Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions mascara. I love this mascara. The trick to mascara too, to make your eyelashes look really long, is to close your eye at the same time you're putting on mascara, because I think it just helps like with length. And then like usually like people, they brush like out. No, you want to like brush in to make your eyelashes go like straight up. I don't know why my camera shut off, but I think my camera is dying, so basically I'm just going to do my mascara, put on highlighter, and then put on some lips, and then I will keep you guys updated afterwards. So update, this is my makeup. I did my hair, and then I'm just wearing a Gymshark tank and some little shorts and some tennis shoes for the class. Okay, so this is us entering the dance room at the pole dancing place, where it was just such a vibe and it was so much fun. We got to learn 2 different moves, and we just all kind of supported each other and just had a great time.
Okay, so after the pole dancing class, we all went up to the clubhouse where we decorated it for the party, and we just waited for Elena to come up and see the big surprise. And when she did come up, she was so excited and so grateful, and it's just so cute to see her excitement over the decorations that we got, like the 5-foot dinosaur balloon and like the dinosaur piñata, and it was just a really good time, and I'm glad that she had fun.
So I just got home and I'm definitely ready to go to bed, but I did an outfit change in between, and yes, I'm literally wearing the same exact outfit in my last vlog, but I don't care. We went out to some bars and then we did like some fun things afterwards, but I'm not gonna get into too much detail. I am definitely ready to go to bed, so I'm gonna say goodnight here now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. And if you do like these videos, please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely day. Bye.